Hello everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. If you're just joining this channel, this is where you can learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Today is October 6th. On this day in 1900, a tornado estimated to be an F3 moved 4 miles across parts of Biwabic, Minnesota. Homes and other buildings were destroyed at a mining camp. A total of 10 people were killed, 4 in the northwest part of Biwabic, and the other 6, all of which in one family, were killed as their home on the Pike River was swept away. 70 other people were injured. The damage was an estimated 100,000 1900 United States dollars, but almost a century and a quarter later in 2024 United States dollars, over $3.7 million would be needed to equate to that. On this day in 1941, portions of Iowa and Missouri were affected by a tornado outbreak. The most significant tornado was an F3 that caused 135 injuries and 4 fatalities. A small house was carried 700 feet and destroyed. A mother and her infant were carried another 500 feet and were killed. On this day in 1952, several occasions over central Arkansas reported sleet. Although there was no accumulation, this is notable because this is the earliest known wintry precipitation of any kind in the state of Arkansas since weather history started being recorded in 1819. On this day in 2010, Arizona was struck by the highest number of tornadoes in a single day since records started in 1950 when 12 tornadoes hit parts of the state. This was part of a 2-day severe outbreak that started the day before. The strongest tornado was an EF3 that stayed on the ground in Coconino County for over 30 miles, the longest track tornado in Arizona history. Multiple semi-trucks and trailers were flipped on Interstate 40 and 28 rail cars were derailed. Forest damage was severe and many roads were blocked. The Phoenix metropolitan area was also hit with a cluster of strong thunderstorms the day before, contributing to a severe hail event there. One storm produced hail up to 1.5 inches in diameter across Phoenix and into Carefree, damaging roofs and cars and breaking hundreds of skylights. Another produced hail up to 2.5 inches in diameter as it tracked from south of Chandler into Scottsdale. Tennis ball sized hailstones damaged hundreds of roofs and vehicles, as well as dozens of aircrafts at the Scottsdale airport. The most substantial event of the day occurred with a storm that moved from Firebird Lake to south of Chandler into northern Glendale and finally across southern Peoria. Widespread golf ball to baseball sized hail, up to 3 inches in diameter, damaged thousands of roofs and vehicles. One person was injured by large hail on a football practice field. 34 skylights at the St. Mary's Food Bank in Phoenix were punctured, allowing heavy rainfall to flow into the structure. Approximately 20% of the food inventory was ruined, equating to about 1.4 million meals. More than 150,000 homes were damaged throughout Maricopa County, forcing thousands of insurance claims. The estimated size of the hail that struck the county was the third largest in Arizona history, with hail damage reaching $2.7 billion, the costliest weather disaster on record in the state. This unusual for Arizona severe outbreak caused 11 injuries, including 7 tornadic, but nobody was killed from it. Total damage from the entire outbreak was 4.9 billion 2010 United States dollars, which would equate to over 7 billion in 2024 United States dollars. That will close up this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in because whenever there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video. Please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video. And if you're just joining this channel, please check out all the other videos that have been posted on this channel.